The Department of Nutrition and Dietetics started its journey in 2012. Up till now, the department has been working hard to pursue its mission and objective toward providing skilled technical experts in the field of nutrition and dietetics. By choosing the field of nutrition and dietetics, the students will be able to self-manage the clinical and nutritional care in the community.
This program has been planned to prepare the graduates to working as a professional nutritionist and dietitian in a range of settings. This sustainable approach is to prevent and cure the diseases with the dietary management and realizing the importance of nutrition in daily life and emergencies like as earthquakes, disasters, and the other health-related issues.
The University of Faisalabad is affiliated with the Medina Teaching Hospital, in which the student directly apply their theoretical knowledge in the clinical setting. The main part of the degree is a research work and the proper clinical work that highlights the Department of Nutrition and Dietetics in University of Faisalabad.
The facilities provided by the University of Faisalabad includes well-equipped nutrition labs along with the analytical labs where students perform their analytical experiments. Over here, the university have a library which is accessible for 12 hours a day, providing this facility of separate nutrition section along with e-books.
This 5 years degree program integrates the learning and the teaching experiences with the clinical research, public health research, and the management experiences.
The Department of Nutrition and Dietetics is the leading unit of the University of Faisalabad, which highlights its vision among local communities and educational institutes about the role of nutrition in having a robust health. The aim is to be achieved through academics, through clinical exposure and research work as conducted by the student of Nutrition and Dietetics.